Every time a company trains one of these AI agents, they build a free tool that grades its every step, and then ignore it. This free grader catches a failing run nearly 9 times out of 10. A top-paid AI judge? Barely 6.
Hang on. Free? You don't grade things for free. Someone builds it, trains it, pays for labels. That's the expensive part.
That's the belief this paper takes apart. And it matters. These agents book your flights, send emails, and run code across dozens of steps. When one goes wrong, you want to catch it mid-task, not after the damage.
So why not just build a step-by-step grader? Watch each move, score it.
People tried, Tyler. For agents, it's notoriously hard. With a math problem, you can rewind and try a step 100 times. But an agent that already sent the email can't rewind, and hand-labeling every step costs a fortune. So here's the guess to hold. This free grader also faced a scorer trained on one exact task. Bet on who won. And keep one image in mind. A customer canceling a basic economy plane ticket. That refusal cracks it open.
Okay, Bella. A plane ticket refusal. I'm listening. What is this free tool?
Think of judging a job interview. Lazy way. Score each answer by how smooth and confident it sounds. Problem: that punishes the real expert because experts use precise, rare words, and rare words sound less natural than easy chit-chat.
So the smooth talker who says nothing beats the specialist who nails it.
Every time. The smarter judge asks, how much more likely is an expert to say this than a random fluent person? The rare, precise answer scores high. And that judge is free. Training an agent starts with a plain beginner version and ends with a trained expert. For each step, compare the two. That gap is your grade. Keep that subtraction in mind. It's the key to what's coming.
And nobody built it? It just falls out of training?
It falls out, Tyler. They took several open AI models that publish both versions, used the gap as a step grader, and ran it on 5 real agent jobs: tool calling, shopping, customer service, and more. No new training, no labels.
And it beat the tools built on purpose.
Here's the moment. That customer wants to cancel a basic economy ticket that policy won't allow. The agent correctly refuses, in exact tool commands and policy language. Score it by raw confidence, and it punishes the agent, because that jargon is rare, awkward text. The right move looks wrong. But subtract the beginner, and every rare, correct move flips positive, because the beginner is clumsy with plain words too. What's left is only what's goal-relevant. The free grader rewards exactly what confidence threw out.
So the subtraction is the whole thing, Bella.
The whole thing. That's how it beat a paid AI judge nearly 9-6. And your guess? That scorer trained on the one exact task? The free one, no task training, beat it too.
One honest catch. The math assumes the released model is the perfect trained version, and it never is. So it's less a report card, more a metal detector. It tells you which step to dig into, not what's buried there.
Fair, and still a free metal detector nobody knew they had. So, would you trust an AI agent more knowing it carries a free judge watching every move? Or does a machine grading itself make you trust it less?
Drop where you land. Reassuring or the opposite.
And if you like one surprising paper cracked open like this, subscribe and join a growing crowd making sense of new AI research.
One thing to do with this. Next time you build with an open AI model, grab its beginner version. You already own a free grader. Open it up.